Hey, good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. We're going to do a video walkthrough on the Sea Hunt 211. Got bow seating, bow backrest as well. Bolsters up here in pretty good shape. I've got a little nick right there. Open this up, got some anchor storage. Coming around. Console seat storage below. Bolsters are in good shape. Leaning post. Cushions are in good shape there. Got a footrest that drops down. You could put a cooler underneath the rest. Rocket launchers on the back, and you've got rocket launchers on the T-top as well. Electronics box up top with VHF radio. Got a Garmin chart plotter sounder here, and then Yamaha gauges, as you can see, 44 hours on there. Infinity stereo. Storage here. Nice footrest with the Sea Hunt embroidered on it. Under gunnel storage. Bolsters are in good shape here. I found another little nick in the cushion here on this aft corner, but otherwise cushions are in good shape. It does have the tow arch. Water sports. Yamaha 150 as mentioned earlier. 44 hours on it. Engine was just serviced. Got rod holders over here, and then that swings away for entry into the deck. See if I can get a shot of this whole side for you. Nice blue whole side. It's just buffed and waxed. I'm missing a little of the Sea Hunt logo there, but otherwise in good shape on both sides. You got storage inside the console. There you go, Ultra 211. But nice, clean, lightly used boat. Give us a call, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks.